Welcome to Protea Academy. My name is Zane Stevens. I'm the founder of Protea Financial. You've all heard the saying, "cash is king." And it's true. If you're running a business, it is critically important to know how much cash is in your business, when money will be coming in, and when money will go out. So wouldn't it be really important to know that there is a tool that can help you better manage your cash flow and understands the ins and outs around cash in your business? I'm here to help you with that. Today, I want to talk about a critical tool for managing your business financial health, 13-week cash flow forecast. A 13-week cash flow forecast is a short-term planning tool that projects the ins and outs of the business's cash week by week for the next 13 weeks. It focuses on actual cash movement, not accounting profit, what's coming in from customers, what's going out for expenses, payroll, and other obligations. Why do we use 13 weeks? Well, because that's roughly a quarter. There's about 13 weeks every 3 months of the year. Now, this might sound like a long period of time, but it's not. It's just long enough to help you to see trends in your business and just short enough to be responsive to changes that might be occurring in your business. I like the 13-week cash flow forecast because it gives you a snapshot of what is happening in the short term in your business and gives you the tools to be able to react in terms of what you need and what conversations you need to be having. The 13-week cash flow forecast works because it brings clarity and control to your business. You're not guessing, but you're seeing actual numbers. It gives you time to identify cash gaps early and try and fix them. And it allows you to have a tool in your hand that will help you improve the decision-making process. It will give you a snapshot in whether you can make that hire, invest in that capital project, or do you have to hold back and wait for cash to come in? A short-term cash flow forecast of 13 weeks is not about predicting the future perfectly, but it is giving you a tool to stay proactive and giving you the opportunity to make adjustments in real time. Why does this tool help your business? Have you ever sat back and gone, I made a profit, but I don't know where my cash went? Or ever had the feeling, I hope I make the next payroll? Well, this is where a 13-week cash flow forecast can make a big difference in your business. It helps you avoid surprises, plan with confidence, gives you a tool to strengthen your relationship with banks, investors, and suppliers by showing you on top of your finances. And most importantly, it helps you sleep better at night. All businesses should be doing some form of cash flow planning. And I recommend that you use the 13-week cash flow forecast because it provides you with sufficient insight to make those good business decisions. Empower your accountant to provide you with the information you need in this 13-week cash flow forecast by having good conversations, sharing all the information that you have by the business to allow them to build out the model that will put a tool in front of you to make these good decisions. Engaging with a good partner will assist you in making sure that you have the right tools to be successful in your business. At Protea Financial, we help build and maintain these forecasts, not just as a spreadsheet, but as a decision-making tool. If you're a wine or beverage company, reach out to us and we'll help you get started in building this tool to help you be successful. Want to improve your business? Start using a 13-week cash flow forecast.